Hi, and welcome to this MediaShout training video. In this session, we're going to learn how to add, edit, and transfer songs into MediaShout that are in Chinese. There are a lot of congregations around the world, churches, that use Chinese, obviously, and the default program they often turn to is popular programs like Microsoft PowerPoint. It's actually one of the easiest to use. So I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and even just transfer some of the songs into the bigger programs such as MediaShout. So I have MediaShout open with a blank script, and I prepared a song earlier called Entering a New Day. So I'm going to go to the beginning of the slide, and we're going to try and transfer part of it into MediaShout. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the title, and I'm going to click copy. I'm going to go into MediaShout, and I'm going to begin the process of adding or transferring the song in. So I'm going to go to the song tab and drop down menu, so add songs, and from scratch, and we know the process as in the previous videos. We're going to go to next. We've already got our template, song title, and we are going to paste the song title, so entering a new day. Queue name will automatically get auto-filled as I click it, and we can leave the song ID alone. I'm going to click next again, and leave the author, copyright, etc. alone. Okay, here comes the inputting part. So I'm going to select the whole of the first stanza, and I'm going to copy. Go back to MediaShout, I'm going to paste that inside. And just for the sake of readability, I'm just going to put a bit of spaces in between so it looks readable. I'm going to click Add Stanza. I'm going to go back to MediaShout. I'm going to go to slide 2, and I'm going to put that into the second stanza. So copy all that, copy, go back to MediaShout, and I'm going to paste it here. And again, I'm going to put some spacings just to make it look readable. Okay, I'm going to click Add Stanza. And that's all we're going to do for now. I'm going to click Next. I'm happy with the order, and finish. Okay, I don't want to put a new song in, so I'm going to click Close. And you notice that it's down here. Now, in editing or adding a new song into MediaShout, it has some known issues in which not all parts of MediaShout will actually be able to add Chinese characters straight away inside. What do I mean by that? I'll kind of show you. There is a way to do it, but it's kind of a round method. So I got the Entering a New Day song here. I'm going to right click and just go Edit Song. And we got the song right up here. And just say I wanted to add an additional character to the end of that. Now, please forgive me. I don't know any Chinese or read any Chinese. I just know how to use the software. So if I type anything that's doesn't make sense or maybe even offensive, you're gonna have to forgive me because I actually can't read Chinese. So I'm gonna put it add a new character down here. So I'm gonna start up the Chinese editing software or inputting software. We use this particular one here. You may use a different one on your computer. Okay, and I'm gonna start from down here. Let's see. I'm just gonna turn it on. Okay. Alright, so instead of actually typing it in here, MediaShout won't allow me to do that. So I'm going to go into a program called Notepad. It's a part of your Windows program. If you don't know where it is, just go into your Start menu and just type Notepad. Or if you're still using XP, which I hope you're not, go into All Programs and go into Accessories, and you should find your Notepad here. But we already got it open, so I'm going to type something in here. Let's see. Oops. Seem to be working. Let's try that. That's better. Okay. So I'm going to type the letter G, and I'm going to say put this character. I'm going to select number 2. Okay, the character's already appeared, and I'm going to try say, oh, alright. I'm going to select number 3. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put it in here and paste it in there. typing it directly into the box here in MediaShout won't actually work. So I'm just going to click apply. I'm going to click OK. Now the same goes with adding a song into MediaShout. So if I was to type in a brand new song into MediaShout, so say add songs from scratch and go to next, I'll have to do it from the notepad. Okay, so and if I click next and try to add in stanzas, verse 1, verse 2, bridges, choruses, it'll all have to be done through Notepad. So the workaround for adding and editing a song within MediaShout is actually through Notepad. Everything else from transferring is a simple process of just copy and paste. But with MediaShout, to actually put a song in, you need to go through a program like Notepad, and that should get your Chinese songs inside MediaShout for you.